Peace, y'all. Hey, I'm Ivory. I'm a black girl and my name is Ivory. It's as simple as that. I'm back and it's time to eat again. And today I have a whole lot of Trader Joe's food. Ooh, it's chickpea stew, y'all. These right here are some veggie samosas. Some dill pickle falafel. I have some tteokbokki right here in the middle. Some walnut shrimp with that cream sauce. Some garlic naan. Some artichoke hearts that I sauteed with some onions. Alright, let's start with some Channa masala. Oh, that is good. Got some tteokbokki in the middle. That's it. It's chewy. Very, very chewy. Sticky. That sauce is good though. Strawberry. Ooh, strawberry peach water. And I'm also making a tequila sunrise with some 1800 tequila and some peach mango juice and some strawberries and peaches in my cocktail glass. But let me try a couple more things first. It's good. Okay. Walnut shrimp. Honey walnut. I look so tan when I look in the little viewfinder. Y'all. I've been outside. I've been outside, like literally outside for hours. Yep. This food is good. You like my new crystal? Okay. Samosa. It's okay. It's probably better homemade, because one thing I can say about Trader Joe's, it has a lot of processed food. That's what the honey walnut shrimp came in. Tteokbokki, Channa masala. At the end of this video, I have a vlog actually. I walked through the store so y'all could see. I'm gonna eat with y'all first though. And if you skip to the end, just make sure you come on back so I don't have to eat by myself. Okay. Garlic naan. The guy in the store told me, the guy who worked there, he told me not to get the plain kind, to get the garlic kind. All this food has an international origin. It's not American food. I want to say it's all Asian food. The croissant, so this might be Italian. I didn't even tell y'all. My bad. This is for dessert. It's an almond cream croissant. It has cream filling in the middle. This is good, y'all. This might be the best thing. I hope y'all can see it. Okay. Should I try falafel first? Now the falafel. Ooh. I don't know about that falafel, y'all. I'm gonna try it a different way in a couple minutes. But yeah, I have peaches, strawberries. And put my tequila on top. That's the other one. So y'all, I recorded at the liquor store. I recorded at Walmart, Marshalls. Ooh, dang. Marshalls. Where else? Y'all, I went to a bunch of different places, okay? I did. So this is the vlog in this video. It's all Trader Joe's. I'm just gonna take y'all through Trader Joe's. But tomorrow, I'm gonna show y'all some of everywhere, y'all. I was even eating at multiple restaurants in one day. And I have never done that in my life. I was out here like a real princess. Yes, I was. Either way it goes. Cheers to y'all. Hope you're having a peaceful day. And a special toast to Tia, Solar, Rose, Genevieve, and Tanja's World. Cheers, y'all. Peace. Oh, that's good. That's a summertime drink right there. This for the summertime. Yep. This food is good. Let me try these artichokes. After this, one more bite of Channa Masala. It's good. I have some hot honey sauce on the side. But I think I'm gonna make some wings with this. Y'all wanna see it up close? I think I'm gonna make some wings with it instead. I was gonna pour it on top of something. I don't know what I was thinking about. So y'all, Trader Joe's is a cool place to shop. It has a lot of diverse products. Stuff I've never seen before. Never heard of. This food is good though. I can't lie. Good. I think I like this Channa masala. I like everything back here. Yep. This is good. So, I reckon we talk about this nose piercing. I know exactly how to explain it. I know how to explain it for a person who you're considering getting your nose pierced. A lot of people in the comments told me that you want to, but you're a little scared. So they did not use a pierce shooter or a clamp like a stapler. It's a long metal toothpick looking type of needle. It's the person's applied pressure. Like this. They literally press like this. They press the thing from that angle. Or just press it directly into the nose. Takes like 2 or 3 seconds. And you feel every bit of it. Now, I went with my friend, my masculine tough friend. And she was in she was so dramatic. She was so dramatic. But I didn't move or make a sound. You know, I have a high tolerance for pain. And it was more eerie than painful because you can feel it going through every, you know, every layer in the nose. But, you know, I love it. And I know my face all sunburnt. But y'all tell me what you think about the nose ring. What you think? I got a 3-petal leaflet type of ring. It's 3 leaves. You probably barely could see it. I know I can't see it looking at this screen. Y'all know my vision. Oh, that's it right there. Y'all, if ain't nothing else good, that water is always on point. But yeah, I've been living it up, eating it up. I ain't cooked the thing in a couple days, y'all. That's where I've been. That's where the hell I've been. Out here living life like a princess. This was fun. Shout out to Steph and Tasha, because They made Trader Joe's seem so attractive. Like I just had to try it for myself. But I'll be back tomorrow with some vegetarian burgers. It's Rod's recipe. I'm cooking Rod's recipe. Vegan. They're vegan burgers, but I'm putting cheese on. Yep. So I'm gonna make them vegetarian style. But I love y'all. And this food was fun. It was fun. It's not the greatest because it tastes processed. And I'm used to cooking my own food from scratch. I know y'all like, she ain't gonna try that croissant. I really don't want to. Ooh. Y'all see it? I ain't even finna sit here and lie. That thing good. This is good, y'all. I talked all that junk. Oh, I don't think I want it because it's all so processed. I baked this in the oven. That thing good. I did. I'm done with this food, y'all. It sure was fun though. I think I spent like $40, $45 at Trader Joe's. Peace out. Trader Joe's, y'all.